Proton VPN connection problem, Proton VPN not connecting, and Proton VPN not working. Let's know how to fix it. First of all, as you can see, this application has 50 million plus installation from Google Play Store and 4.4 star rating. First, I am going to install this application from Google Play Store. After installing, let's talk about how to fix Proton VPN connection problem. First, let's open the application. As you can see, Proton VPN suggests you their sign-in feature, and also you can continue as a guest. If you click continue as a guest, you can see a new window in Proton VPN application. Basically, they told you about their premium feature. After that, if you click not now, then you can enter actual Proton VPN dashboard. Now, if you want to fix your connection problem, then first go to the settings, and you can see many settings available here, many options you can see. So first of all, connection preferences, and here you can see default connection. Put there as it is and click now advanced settings option, and you can see IPv6 support. Make sure it was enabled and make sure alternative routing is enabled, and click on protocol section. Here you can see WireGuard, smart protection. So just choose here a smart recommended option and go back. If your Proton VPN connection problem is fixed, that's good, but if you get still problem, you can click report an issue button, and here you can choose which your actual problem, like connecting to VPN, and here you can see a contact us button. You can contact Proton VPN customer support and you can easily fix it. Now I will give you extra tips to fix this problem. Just tap on Proton VPN application and hold open app info, and you can see many options. Just click on storage uses, and here you can see clear cache and clear data. Make sure just tap on clear data. If you clear data, then Proton VPN completely restored, and 90% chance it will fix connecting problem. So this is the video. If you got helpful, please give me a like, and this channel help you to customize your Android phone and give you Android security tips. So please subscribe the channel for supporting me.